Now, your latest news update from Western Mass News.
Good Friday afternoon. I'm Chris Pisano with a look at your headlines. Governor Charlie Baker says the state will soon implement new travel restrictions. Baker says with the exception of those arriving in Massachusetts from lower risk states, travelers must fill out a travel form and quarantine for 14 days. Those lower risk states are the 6 New England states, New York, New Jersey, and Hawaii. Travelers can also avoid quarantine by having a negative COVID-19 test that's no more than 72 hours old. The governor says there could be a $500 fine a day for those who don't follow the restrictions. As the coronavirus pandemic continues, there's new guidance from the CDC on childcare and education, guidance that mostly recommends reopening schools this fall. The agency cited evidence that suggests the virus isn't as serious for children and that kids aren't as likely to spread it to adults. Furthermore, the CDC underscored the harm done by keeping kids out of school, including learning loss and less access to food, mental health care, and other services. In South Hadley, Tower Theaters opened for the first time today since the coronavirus pandemic forced the movie theater to close its doors. The theater is limited to no more than 25 people. Every other row is closed off, and food and drinks are takeout only due to COVID-19 restrictions. But despite the changes, the theater's owner says he's excited to reopen his doors to the community.
I'm meteorologist Janna Brown with a check of your forecast. Cloud cover will start to decrease as we continue throughout the evening. Still feeling fairly muggy this evening with temperatures dropping back down through the 70s. Skies remain clear overnight, so temps will be allowed to drop back to the lower 60s as drier air also starts moving back into western Mass. Not necessarily feeling comfortable for tomorrow, but humidity won't be as oppressive as it has been much of this week. We are expecting plenty of sunshine and a hot afternoon with temperatures climbing into the lower 90s. Now, we do have high pressure that digs in for the weekend. That's going to keep us rain-free both Saturday and Sunday, even Monday looking rain-free. However, the placement of the high is going to allow for a strong west-southwesterly flow that really bumps those temperatures and humidity levels up. And we'll be talking about excessive heat possibilities for early next week. A cold front will eventually get here by late Tuesday. This is going to bring us a chance for some showers and storms, but more importantly, bringing an end to the heat wave and allowing us to become less humid through the rest of the week.
Stay with Western Mass News on air, online, and on our app throughout the day for breaking news, weather, and exclusive content.